St. Columba Orthodox Church in Fernley, Nevada is a Western Rite parish of the Russian Orthodox Church outside Russia. Ministering to his people and the community there in the high desert, Father William Bauer also shares with us some lessons learned.
Everybody wants to be happy. Not many people are happy. We had the Great Society was supposed to make us all happy because we'd be all equal. And then women came along and said if they were equal, then everybody would be happy. Everybody would be happy. Oh, that was not the truth, boys and girls. We've come pretty far on the mark. We've gone in our time searching for remedies of the unhappiness of mankind. We piled up gifts and gifts before people like peace offerings, like before the idol of an angry God, remotely hoping that someone or the other would please that angry God. On the positive side, we talked to better housing, better food, more education, more culture, more leisure, more health. All of them good, I guess. But it wasn't evident from the first that thousands of men and women who had all of these things were desperately unhappy. So we went to the negative side. It was not something that men lacked. It was something they already had, which was making them unhappy. So we took away the notion of sin. Oh, we could do anything you want. Ask any Antifa member if he's happy, if you can get close to him. Oh boy. We took away the notion of God. How about soul? Well, that's on the bottom of your foot, isn't it? Or free will? Nobody has free will. We're just shaped into that by our constrictions of our behavior. We even took away intellect. Well, we can't think too much. It makes us unhappy. We took away all restraints from passion. We can go to bed with anybody we want. Were people more happy? Ask any abortion survivor. God alone will ever know how much damage was done to us. Only the men and women who were the victims can say it was a bitter, despairing drink we made of unhappiness. We failed, utterly, miserably, and we will continue to fail until we're willing to face the awful but inspiring truth. The will of mankind, the will of each one of us, is the sole sufficient cause of unhappiness to mankind. It's awful, because it puts the responsibility directly into our hands. It talks about sin, it talks about God. Oh, God, inspiring, because it puts the destruction of unhappiness within our power. The remedy for unhappiness is goodwill. Not in the pietistic sense of a revival meeting, but in the solidly human sense of a will that's pursuing its proper goal. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, with all thy soul, with all thy mind. It's the first commandment. Give it a shot.
Father William Bauer is the rector of St. Columba Orthodox Church in Fernley, Nevada. The music you hear is Teller of the Tales by Kevin MacLeod, Incompetech.com, licensed under Creative Commons by Attribution 3.0 license. This has been a Western Rite Radio production. Please find us at WRORadio.com.